Cookie dough. The cake and cookie dough. Hold on. The cake and cookie dough part 3. I mean 4. Oh my god. Maya, thanks a lot. Huh? Feel my stuff. I wipe, you're cold. I know. I'm just wet.
Sweaty.
No dip. I just got back from track. Where's it at?
Oh, it broke.
Aww. I'll make you another one. This is my last key. Don't lose it.
No, is it? We gotta make the strings longer this time.
Okay. Where's the thingy? It's the
Are we
skizzers.
still, like,
Can you have the skizzers? How my skizzers?
your skizzers?
You're stepping on the skizzers.
I know.
Is this still recording? Awesome. Oh, the wrong thing. I saw green and I wanted to catch it. What are you doing on my old phone? It's dead.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not? It should be. Get Maya here. Maya. Stand up. Stand up.
Yesterday, Lexi lost her virginity. Time to unlock the key. Unlock the key.
Yeah, unlock. Stick it in the hole.
Which way?
That way.
Unlock.
I'm totally still a virgin. Wait, is it locked? Okay, it's locked. Maya, I dare you me to do this video right there. This should be a challenge. We're just gonna film this, okay? Try this. Let's try.
Move this up on.
Okay, we're just gonna get down here, Maya. We're gonna film this down here. Okay.
The key challenge.
The key and the lock challenge. Okay. So, you gotta get a key and a lock. Which I got mine from my Hello Kitty diary. That's cheating. This is so funny. Let's try it again. Is this amusing to you? I look like a man. My hair looks so much blonder. We gotta do it sideways. This looks weird. Okay, we're allowed to tighten it. Did it go in?
Yes.
Did it go in yet?
No. Wait.
Okay. Well, that'll conclude it for today, considering it's all... Yeah, okay, yeah, we're done. We're finally done. Bye.